Keep moving forward. Imagine a long, winding road. You can see the end, and sometimes you feel lost. You might want to stop and turn back, thinking the journey is too long, but success is found not by standing still, but by taking one step at a time. Every small effort you make is a step forward. Even when you feel like you are not making progress, you are. Don't look at how far you have left to go. Just focus on taking the next step. Keep moving forward and you will eventually reach your destination. Keep moving.